What if I told you? There are stocks that pay you money just for owning them? Yep, that's called a dividend. And it's one of the easiest ways to build real wealth, even while you sleep. In this video, I'll explain what dividends are, how they work, and how you can start earning them, even if you're a total beginner. A dividend is a payout, money that a company gives to its shareholders, aka you. It's a way of sharing profits. So if a company makes a lot of money and doesn't need to reinvest all of it, they send some of it to you. If you own one share, you get a small cut. Own more shares, you get more dividends. It's kind of like being part owner of a business that sends you thank you money every quarter. Metaphor, like owning a vending machine that pays you for letting others use it. Every company pays different amounts. Some pay 1% a year. Some pay 3% or even more. This percent is called the dividend yield. Example, if a stock is $100 and pays $3 per year equals 3% dividend yield. Doesn't sound like much? Let it grow. Over time, with dividend reinvestment, your money snowballs. Pro tip, look up DRIP dividend reinvestment plan. Not all companies pay dividends, and that's okay. Big stable companies, like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, AT&T, often do. Fast-growing companies, like Tesla or Amazon, usually not. They're reinvesting in growth instead of payouts. So ask yourself, do I want cash now or bigger growth later? You don't need a lot of money. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. Step 2. Buy shares of a dividend-paying stock or ETF. Step 3. Reinvest your dividends or collect them. That's it. The hard part is waiting, but the reward is real. Bonus. Some ETFs pay monthly dividends. Yep, monthly. Dividends won't make you rich overnight, but they're one of the easiest ways to build passive income, grow wealth steadily, get paid while doing nothing if you start now and stay consistent. Future you will thank you. Like this if you love the idea of getting paid while you sleep. Share with a friend who's never heard of dividends. And subscribe for more no-fluff money tips that actually build wealth.